Morning everybody, exciting day ahead. We're taking the cross member to get welded up. I may be doing the welding, preferably not, but we'll see what happens. Exciting day. Let's dig out the parts, shall we? Disassembly complete. Didn't take long, there was only like a couple of bolts holding it together. So I think I've got everything I need. Taking the top hinges off to make it a bit lighter to carry. Keeping it all in one piece at the moment, and I'll use these brackets, I'll chop them down, use them as braces. We have ratchets, 17mm, holding them together. I'm going to take my blowtorch with me. Probably need to preheat this a little bit. Well, a lot actually, because it's really cold. As you can see, that snow is just going to sit there until I melt it. So I've got that. Got my wire brushed, clean it up. I've got my flap disc on a angle grinder in case I need to make it a bit straighter. So I think I've got everything I need. About 45 minutes away. At least it's a nice day, if a bit cold. Right, let's get on the road. Okay, let's get going. As always, first stop, gasoline. Very important step in this process. Don't turn up at somebody's place of work without a coffee, okay? Onward! Have arrived. Cambridge Tire. Right, I will grab my coffee and make my introduction. See you in a bit. Hey, Blaine.
Hello. Give this a whirl.
Yeah.
Right now.
I'm going to grab a mask and see what you're doing. How's it looking so far? Does it need more heat?
Needs more heat.
Okay. So we're almost done, but Blaine just wants to add another little bit of weld in this section and that section. So again, this plate here is really just supporting the whole weld that joined it together, and there's another plate at the top. So it's not going to win any beauty contests, but it's certainly going to be structurally sound, and as Blaine said, it's another thing that I never have to worry about when I'm driving down the road. Happy days. So I'm just going to finish up when he's done and get home. Right, back to work, Blaine.
Yeah, back to work. A little bit more, we're done.
Yeah. awesome. We have a narrowed and welded Crown Vic cross member. Very happy. So let's head home. That took quite a while. That took a good 4 hours. No idea how much I appreciate the help. So I will post a link to Blaine's business, Cambridge Tire in Cambridge. Brilliant guy, lots of patience. And let's head home as the sun goes down in Canada. Here we go. We are home. So there we have it. As I said before, it's not going to win a beauty contest, but as long as it wins a structural contest, we're good. So it is welded all the way around, and then there's a plate on the bottom, plate on the top for extra support, with some meaty welds in there. Very pleased. Ready for the next step. So what have we learned today? Aluminum, or thick aluminum, it's tough to weld. It takes a lot of heat, surprisingly, and a lot of patience and time. Thankfully, I didn't have to do any of that. I really just cleaned up a little bit in between welding and passed the odd tool. So a huge thank you to Blaine at Cambridge Tire. I will add a link to his business. If you're needing tires or some mechanical work, give him a shout. And I am now ready to proceed with the next stage, which is making the front chassis accept this new cross member. So tune in for the next one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you've not already. Click the little bell and hit a like if you liked it, or a dislike if you disliked it. Either way is good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.